Ever posted an Instagram story and wished you could control who comments on it? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn story comments on or off and how to choose who can reply. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android or iPhone. If you're creating a new story, you can adjust the comment settings. Go to your profile and tap the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines at the top right to open your menu. Here, scroll down until you find the comments section and tap on it. Now select Story. This is where you control everything. You can allow everyone to comment, let only people you follow comment, or turn off comments completely if you want zero replies on your stories. There's also a very useful option called Block Comments from Tap it, and you can select specific people you don't want commenting on your stories without blocking them entirely. And that's it! Now you can manage your Instagram story comments exactly the way you want. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes. See you in the next one.